Okay, this is the inside of doner kebab, and this is you can see some of the meat that they have right there. So this is chicken, I think chicken or lamb. And then, so anyways, we're gonna fade out, and then we're gonna show you some of the prices so you can see. And I usually get this lamb kebab right there. So we're gonna and it's Istanbul is the name of the Istanbul kebab. So there's a theme, and you can see this doner kebab mascot with a Soulbrigada beer, which is pretty cool. And then we're gonna try to fade out, and we'll try not to get his. So we're gonna be talking about this one today, and this one as well, and this whole thing right here. So okay. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this place is called Doner Istanbul. So you can see some of the design there. We'll just kind of film around it. So there's they have pizza here. We'll just show it from the outside so we don't bother anybody inside. And oh, maybe we'll capture this little thing right here. This doner guy has a Soulbrigada Portuguese beer. Then we're gonna step out into this area, and then we're gonna film this thing too, the Pope House. And the guy that is in here looks a little bit like that guy. Then we have this cool street here too, and we're gonna film this one. And we're gonna run across. So yeah, this is a pretty cool looking place too. So you got this place, the Pope House, then you have this place, Doner Istanbul, and then you have this one is a might walk in that a little bit later, and you got a little bit of cool stuff everywhere. So let's walk down a little bit and just kind of show the neighborhood. This looks better from the other side of the street. And then this one is pretty cool. This is the same guy. So he's cooking some food. And this one right here. Some detail on him. So yeah, that's him on the corner. Should probably interview and talk to him. And then we're gonna film on this side. And then this one has this one. Should say hi to him. And we'll just say hi. Let's say hi. Let's say I just got that one. So this is the same guy. So he's right here, and then he's right here as well. So and then this one is you too, right? That one. Yeah. Sounds good. So Pope House. So we're just going to show you a little bit more. So this is the street that's on Calzada do Amparo. And this is kind of go up a little bit, and we'll just show you some of the stuff. So over here, it's a little bit dark, but you have a shrine. A little bit hard to see at nighttime. And then you can sit up here, and then this is called Portugal Street. So we won't follow this all the way up, but basically in the daytime it's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna come back down, and this is a little corner of Macau and Doner Istanbul if you want to look it up online, or you can check out some of these places too. So there's some other ruins. Saudi Bingos, this one, and then we have this street right here. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm just trying to capture some of the imagery, and then we're going to end this one in a minute. Doner kebab. Okay. So yeah, it's Thursday night right now. Actually looks pretty cool right there. We'll end with this one right here. Very cool. And we'll just kind of try to see if we can capture the imagery of that. All right.
Chiquinha,